Yazi sometimes ngike ngizwa abantu nje bekhuluma, uzwa abantu bethi hayi uThabo Mbeki is the best president that we ever had in this country from isikhathi sika 94. Njani bakwethu? Hayi msana uqamba manga. Msana uqamba manga. Nifuna ukungitshela ukuthi uThabo Mbeki the guy that othe mayingena wafoma i-National Lottery Board wafaka umkakhe lapho wamenza induna yaleyo National Lottery Board, umkakhe waze waba yi-billionaire. Nangasho lutho. The same guy owayeka abantu bafa babulawa ingculaza kodwa yena wayothenga ama-military arms eLondon. You say he's the best ever president. The same guy owayesola ama-comrade wakhe ngokuthi they want to kill him, owayeshawa yi-paranoia. The same guy who wanted a third term and you say he was the best ever.